It's definitely giving sister girl for real. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Oh my gosh, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a Junoda V-part wig install. And this literally looks like my hair. Like, it's close to my hair texture in a way, but I have like a 4A hair type. But this literally matches me perfectly and is definitely giving sister girl for real. So if you want to know how I installed this V-part wig, literally no glue, no thread, no spray glue, nothing like that with this exact wig, then just keep on watching. This is how the hair looks once you receive it. This is a Junoda 4C kinky curly V-part wig that is 24 inches, and this is how it looks when it comes out the plastic. This is the box that you'll be receiving from Junoda, and you'll get a little bag for the wig and the hair products. You'll receive a brush, a pamphlet about their story and how to take care of the hair, a little scarf, an edge brush, some lashes, and these are really cute, a wig cap, and a Junoda clip that I actually decided to put on. It's super cute and blingy. Before I put on the V-part wig, I am going to be using the 𝐏𝐂𝐃 moisturizing gel, and I did a whole dedicated video reviewing their curly hair products, which I'll leave down below in the description box. But I am using this gel to do my edges before I apply the wig. With using the edge brush, I am going to be doing a little bit of teasing so the clips can actually hold on to my hair better. And this is how this gorgeous 4C hair looks after you co-wash it, deep condition it. This V-part wig has 5 clips on it, and you can adjust it to your head size, so this is very versatile for everyone. It wasn't even tight on my head at all, so this is definitely big head friendly. I am going to be using my 𝐏𝐃𝐃 moisturizing cocoa water to do the hair, and this is just going to help add some moisture to it and a little bit of shine, and adding gel to add a little bit more definition to the hair. The density type of this wig is 180%, and it's a natural 100% human hair, and the type of hair is Brazilian hair, so this is definitely going to last you a very long time. When you apply this V-part wig, make sure you add the clips as close to your scalp as possible, and this is why we had to tease the hair so the clips can hold on better. Now let me tell you guys, this is probably one of my favorite V-part wigs that I own, because I've worn this a couple of times now, and the quality of it is so good. And this wig can go up to 30 inches long, so if you don't like 24 inches or 26, it can go up to 30 inches. And on top of good quality hair, they do offer free express shipping, 3 to 5 business days delivery. So now that I have this V-part wig fully attached on, I am going to be making the hair look way more realistic. And all I'm gonna do is a middle part. You can do a side part with this wig if you want to, but in this video I'm just gonna show you guys how I did the middle part. With this wig, you do not have to have any leave out, but for me, I definitely prefer having leave out because I feel like it'll blend in better with my hair texture, and it kind of already matches my hair texture anyway, so I might as well just leave some out. But if you don't have like a curly hair texture, no leave out with this wig is perfectly fine. But as you can see, I am going to be fixing it up a bit, and I did add some cocoa water and some gel to make it more blendable to the hair. All the products I'm mentioning in this video will be listed down below. There was minimal shedding. There wasn't a lot of shedding, especially when I was washing it and combing it out, just to make sure all the conditioner was in there moisturizing the hair. But I'm glad I moisturized it first and deep conditioned it before applying the wig on, because it really helped give it more of a shine and volume. And the deep conditioner that I use will be linked down below for you guys. And then I'm just retouching my baby hairs. I'm adding more cocoa water just to make sure everything is moisturized and really soft and fluffy and looking nice. But look how it blends in with my hair. Oh my gosh, this wig is absolutely beautiful. It's so worth buying, I promise you. The quality is amazing and I just love the length and I love the cut. Look at the cut though. It's like long layers and it's not looking all choppy. Like, this is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this V-part wig install from Junoda, and all their information will be linked down below in my description box. So make sure you guys go check them out. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony and just to see more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. But I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.